Hey everybody, this is a real quick video. In case you have a Yamaha MusicCast 50, this is a WX-051 model number, wireless Bluetooth speaker, and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it, otherwise known as initializing the unit in Yamaha parlance. Now you're going to want to do this reset for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting in case this speaker is not connecting to Bluetooth, or it's not syncing or not pairing with your device, or if it keeps disconnecting, if it's like stuck in pairing mode. Any kind of issues like this can very often be fixed with a factory reset. The second reason you might want to do this is if you want to set this up as a new device on something and you just want to have it delete everything, forget its pairing history and all its settings and everything like that, so you can set it up anew. We can go ahead and do this really easily. All we need to do is basically come in and find the power connect button over here, and we're just going to press the power connect on this control panel for at least 3 seconds. And basically you're just going to hold this until the power indicator flashes twice, and that will indicate that it's been reset. Now you're going to need to go in and forget it on any devices you've had and then reset it up like a brand new speaker.